Here's the deal. Most vacation rental operators are leaving money on the table. On average, more than $400 per month per unit is lost to pricing gaps, weak visibility, and broken guest journeys. Here at Market Movers, that's why we've created the 360-degree Vacation Rental Visibility Audit. This is not just another report. It's a done-for-you revenue unlock. Here's how it works. Step 1, work through the short intake form and then complete payment. Step 2, within 7 to 10 business days, we'll deliver you a custom dashboard with your results. We're going to need you to complete all of the personal details that are going to allow us to complete the audit. Step 3, you'll walk away with a clear, tailored playbook that shows you exactly where bookings are leaking and how to fix them on a customized dashboard. Normally, the cost of the audit is $3,200, but as part of our founder's offer for September only, you can get 50% off the audit with this code. And if you're not sure if it's quite the right fit yet, no problem. You can book a complimentary 15-minute strategy call to see if this is the right tool for you before ever committing financially. So go ahead and stop leaving revenue on the table and unlock your path to more direct bookings.